And overflowing blessings to everyone for our daily verse. We are now at Genesis chapter 20, verses 10 up to 12. Jacob left the town of Beersheba and started out for Haran. At sunset, he stopped at the night and went to sleep, resting his head on a large rock. In a dream, he saw a ladder which reached from earth to heaven, and God's angels were going up and down to it. So in this passage, this is the time that Jacob already traveled from Beersheba towards Haran. However, he do a stopover for a night for him to rest and sleep, and the Lord give him a vision through dreams. Remember, God can give you a warning or a message through your dreams and or a vision through your dreams. So God can do that just to communicate with you. Just like what happened here with Jacob. So in this passage, he saw a ladder from earth to heaven. So that's what he says. But that's what Jacob see here.